The Ethereum merge, which might seem like it's been a long time coming to some, will be launched next week. That is, barring any unforeseen circumstance, the Ethereum merge will be happening next week. What changes can we expect to see with Shib as a result next week? And could this merge actually be more important to Shib than its own Shibarium? Get the answers to those questions and more in this video. Disclaimer. What's up, Shib Army? Thanks for joining in for another video. But if you're new around here, allow me to welcome you specially. On this channel, you'll get all the latest Shib updates as they happen. So, if that's what you're looking for, do well to join the family by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know immediately when I post a new video. Now, let's jump into today's video. Before we get into the main news, there's something that you need to know. Vitalik has once again spoken about Shib. This time around, it's in reference to the Shib tokens that were given to him as a gift at about the time when Shib was just launched. For those who didn't already know, shortly after Shib came into the market, the powers that be decided to give VB almost half of the original circulating supply as some sort of gift. VB then decided to push the gifted funds into some strategic ventures, including anti-COVID research projects. This particular project is what he just mentioned, crediting Shiba Inu for providing the funds. Here's the tweet. Second update from Balvi. Lots more anti-COVID projects funded thanks to funds from Shib token and crypto relief. That said, Satoshi has responded to the tweet, appreciating VB for thinking to credit Shib and then asking a very important question. Here's what Satoshi's tweet reads. I think we of the Shib Army are so proud to be part of this. Shib token is the correct account, by the way. Finally, will any funds be sent to investigate natural remedies for COVID? I know we don't have any say on how the funds are spent, I'm just curious. And I don't know about you, but I am also kind of curious. Researching natural remedies for COVID seems like it could be a worthwhile venture. So, if the funds are available, I think it could be something to investigate. Do you agree? Well, whether or not we agree, as Satoshi said, we have no say in how the funds are spent. So, we can only look on and hope for the best. I should point out, though, that things seem to be going in the right direction. Moving on from that, the number of Shiba Inu millionaire owners, that is, holders that own millions of Shib tokens, has been increasing in number. According to Watcher Guru, among the 1.2 million existing holders, the number of investors who own between 10 million to 100 million Shib tokens has increased in 2022. Data from Into the Block shows that investors who own 10 million to 100 million Shiba Inu tokens have risen to 307,900. The 10 to 100 million token owners make up 26.36% of the overall holders count. This segment of holders owns 9.9 trillion Shib tokens. For more context, as of 2021, those that owned 10 to 100 million Shib tokens made up only 15.23% of the entire Shib holder population. So that crowd has increased by about 11%. And that is really impressive, especially when you factor in how unimpressive the crypto market has been in 2022 so far. So, when we say that people are buying more Shib, we mean that they are buying a lot more Shib. A lot more. Stats like this are really important to know because they show us things that we could easily overlook when we look into the crypto market. It is easy to think that you're alone on this hodling journey or that you're one of the few people that have decided to stick it through with Shib. But with stats like this, we see that there are lots of people that are thinking the same thing. People that are not only hodling but have continued to buy more. Still talking about people hodling lots of Shib, it might interest you to know that most Shib holders own between 1 and 10 million tokens. About 497,000 users currently hold between 1 and 10 million Shib tokens, which is about 42.58% of the general holders count. What's more, according to Watcher Guru, this group of holders will probably soon expand into being half of the total number of Shib holders. Other groups of Shib holders include those who hold between 1 billion and 10 billion Shib, and those who hold between 10 trillion and 100 trillion Shib. The former form about 0.74% of the total population with 86,000 users, while the latter consists of just 14 people. Those in the latter group are anonymous and obviously whales. There is no way that a wallet that holds 10 trillion units of a digital asset does not qualify to be called a whale. Now, of course, there could be many reasons that all of these people and you have continued to buy and hold Shib. Some say that one of the reasons people hold lots of Shib is simply because it is one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies right now. While this definitely has something to do with it, I want to believe that faith in the prospects of the currency is the chief reason that a lot of people have decided to buy and hold so much Shib. Now, let's get into the main news for today. At this point, I believe that everyone expects the Shib merge to be beneficial to Shib just like it'll be to other crypto projects on Ethereum. The major reason for this is that the merge will transition the Ethereum network from a proof-of-work mechanism to a proof-of-stake mechanism. And proof-of-stake is meant to make crypto mining quicker and less expensive. According to the Motley Fool, Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, meaning it was built on the Ethereum blockchain. So, updates to the Ethereum blockchain are essentially updates to Shiba Inu as well. This is certainly a positive because now Shiba Inu will be more energy efficient too. Additionally, more upgrades down the line should also ease network congestion by enabling Ethereum to process more transactions per second, which should in part enable the blockchain to lower transaction fees. The question now, though, is whether the merge would be more beneficial to Shib than its own Shibarium. Well, analysts believe that Shibarium would be a lot more beneficial to Shib. And of course, there are reasons for this stance. First off, considering that Shiba Inu is not the only crypto project on the Ethereum blockchain, the merge would be equally beneficial to the hundreds of crypto projects on Ethereum. And when there is a blanket goodness like this, while it is still good, it isn't really anything special. Shibarium is going to give Shiba Inu that dash of extra something that it needs to be even more special than it currently is. In addition to that, Shibarium is supposed to come with a Shib burning mechanism, which is something that we cannot expect from the merge. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #ShibaInu. Good luck. So Shibarium is going to do a lot more than just make transactions faster. It's going to revolutionize the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And it makes sense. We cannot expect another crypto project to do something this huge for us. This is one of those things that we need to handle by ourselves. Now let's take a quick look at the general crypto market. While the crypto market has been seeing some kind of recovery, a Bitcoin analyst just warned that a bad winter is on the way. Just so you know, this analyst called the 2018 bottom, so he might have an idea about what he's talking about. The analyst, Philb, just predicted that there might be an even worse crypto winter coming due to the rising energy crisis in Europe. If the crypto winter actually gets worse, BTC might take a 50% dive from its current level to trade at about $10,000. And worse still, he predicts that this will happen this year. According to him, the probability of this happening is dependent on how the European governments handle the energy crisis. What do you think about this prediction? Do you see it happening? Please share your opinions with us in the comment section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there. If you're a true Shiba Inu fan, then you must check out this video.